Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. And in this video, I just wanted to share my excitement that I just received $500 from a G500 sale I made yesterday. I made it yesterday, and all I have to say is I am really excited about this commission. I am going to be doing a video on it tonight. But I just wanted to talk real quick why this is such a big deal, because it's a great opportunity. Exitus Lead. It is the #1 best affiliate business ever created. I am convinced of that now. And it's not because I am a proud member of it. Not many affiliate businesses survive this long as Exitus Elite has. It's been going on for over a decade now. It's going to be 12 years old in August, and it's just an all-around great business. And the owner, Paul Stevenson, my hat goes off to him, because he, even today, in 2026, he has made the most massive updates to this opportunity, designed to help the affiliate make sales and to be a success in this business. Exitus Elite is an amazing business. I came in at the G1000, and I'm so glad I did, to be able to get between $100 to $1,000 commissions. I've only received a $1,000 commission once since I've been a member, but with this new system in place, I already have about 6 or 7 active leads right now. When I say active leads, that's the ones who actually hit the confirmation email so they can see the video. And we have amazing, really well designed lead capture pages. So even if you don't have, let's say, a platform like Power Lead System where you can make your own pages and stuff, you have a really well designed lead capture pages that has an autoresponder built into it. And these autoresponders are always being tweaked by Paul Stevenson to make sure they have the best deliverability, and all of I've tested everything out myself. The website is so much better than it was before. It's fast, it's everything, and you can track all your leads. You can track all your leads. It gives you like a whole history of what emails they clicked on. Did they watch the video? How much of the video did they watch? Did they watch 25%, 75%, or 100%? Usually people who watch the entire video usually are more the ones that are more engaged and want to, that are going to take it seriously. But whatever it is, everything about Exitus Elite is high quality. And if you look on the website and you go to the About section on the website, it's going to say built to last, and it has. It's been around since 2014, and in August it's going to be 12 years old. Over a decade of success of paying out us affiliates, and these updates that they made recently are all made to help us get more leads and sales into our business. And Exitus Elite truly is a life-changing business opportunity because of the commissions you can make. You can make $1,000 commission in this business. You can make $2,000 commissions. You can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions. The lowest you can make in this is a $100 bill. That's all I can say about Exitus Elite. I'm really excited to get this $500, and if you want to check it out, the link is below. You can watch my latest presentation video that I made recently. And I explained the entire business in that presentation. I also am going to be making a new video tonight, which I'm going to do another presentation because I'm excited to share this business opportunity with you. I never gave up on my pursuits in affiliate marketing, and I'm here today because I never gave up. I always strived to try to find the best opportunity that I could find, and I still promote Power Lead System. It's still a great company. It's still been around. That one's been around since 2013, so like a year before Exitus Lead. But I only join businesses I believe in and have proven themselves. So all I can say is Exitus Elite is a solid business opportunity, and I'll still be in it 10 years from now, or even 20 years from now if I'm still doing affiliate marketing. That's how much faith I have in Exitus Elite. So I'm really excited to have you take a look at this business opportunity. We also have a call center that can also close sales for you. So there's a number below the video. So if let's say you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, you want to call someone to talk to, there's a number below, and it has my information there too, so you can give them that information, and what you get with the call center, if they can actually close the sale for you, you get 80% of the commission, and 20% goes to Exitus Elite to pay the person who did all the work for you. And the way the system is designed now, I still haven't had a conversation with this lead that came in and bought the G500. He emailed me yesterday saying that he joined, and so I activated his system, but the system itself helped him get started. So now of course I left my contact information in there so he can contact me, but with the get back to the call center, is the call center, it's an 80-20 split. It's such a great opportunity. I mean, an 80-20 split for doing no work at all. So that call center will help those, and you can turn the call center on or off. I like to keep it on. I usually do close my own sales, so I get 100% of the commission. But if the call center ever made a G1000 commission, what would happen was I would get the full $1,000, and then I would send 20% of that commission to go to Exitus Elite to pay the person who made that sale for me. And so I would still have $800, and I would send $200 to Exitus Elite. So everything about this business is high quality, and all I can say is I love this business, and Exitus Elite is the only affiliate business that I will ever use. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, comment below if you have any questions. Below this video is the link to join and all of my contact information. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in my next video, where I will have my income proof and everything I love about Exitus Elite, and I'll explain it in that video as well. But look at my last presentation video. That has everything in it that you need to know. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.